Hey my kitty cats, I'm your host Mandvi and today I'm gonna share my night skincare routine with you guys. I shared my night skincare routine 2 months ago exactly, and indeed I have made some important changes. I shared my night skincare routine and a lot of you followed my night skincare routine exactly the same, and it worked for your skin, it worked for your acne scars, pigmentation, and it renewed your skin, gave you a healthy and glowy look. It makes me want to make better videos and explain into more details why are we applying certain things that we are applying on a skin. Skin is a science, skincare is a science. It's packed up with logic, research and facts, and being a biotechnology engineer, I love that. I love research, I love science. So I'm gonna start with my night skincare routine, and night time is the most important time for skincare routine for me because in the night there is less external factors like dirt, pollution, sunlight and stress, and because of this the nighttime is the perfect time to use treatment based skincare or active based skincare. And in the night your skin is healing itself, your body is healing itself, and skin is the largest body organ, so it heals itself and it is the perfect time to do very thorough skincare routine. And so I'm gonna start with my skincare routine, kitty cats. So in the night I like to use my glycolic acid based toners like the Dr. Sheth Gulab and Glycolic toner or the pixiglowtonic, and I use it only twice a week, not more than that, and maximum thrice a week, not more than that. And you can start in your 20s 30s. And glycolic acid is a type of AHA alpha hydroxy acid which removes your dead skin cells, it exfoliates your skin, it penetrates deep into the skin and provides a brightening effect and also replenish your skin and also remove the bond between the old cell and a new cell, so you get a renewed skin after using a glycolic acid based toner. And you can leave it overnight on your skin. I get this question a lot of times. I'm just going to spray it on my skin. It has rose extracts which is very brightening and soothing for your skin. It also has niacinamide which clears out your skin. If you are suffering from a lot of acne breakouts, then you should use niacinamide in your skincare routine. It clears out your skin. Glycolic acid also works on your clogged pores and your hyperpigmentation, and if your skincare has stopped working, it's probably because of the dead skin cells. So it removes the dead skin cells and it makes your skincare more penetrable and deliverable. If you're using an active based serum, then it will be able to penetrate deep into your skin and work its magic. And if you're using a moisturizer, it will be able to hydrate your skin deeply. Now let's move on to next step of serums. And serums are like delivery agents which deliver the actives to your skin. So I'm just gonna apply the Dr. Sheth Cica and Ceramide serum. I love the Dr. Sheth Cica and Ceramide serum, especially after a glycolic acid toner, because Cica and Ceramide work on strengthening your skin barrier. That's why I use Cica and Ceramide serum or Estee Lauder serum, because it also has the same function as the Cica and Ceramides. Cica is also known as Centella asiatica or tiger grass. Tigers are said to rub their wounds to heal themselves to this grass. That's why it is also known as the tiger grass. And Centella asiatica has very soothing and healing features. So it heals your skin and strengthens your skin barrier, which is very important after using a glycolic acid toner. Because after using a glycolic acid toner, your dead skin cells are removed and your skin is renewed and it is exposed. So it is very important that you use a serum which actually strengthens your skin barrier. That's why I also like Estee Lauder serum after using a pixiglowtonic. Sometimes I like jazz up my skincare routine and I use pixiglowtonic with Estee Lauder serum. These two and the Dr. Sheth Gulab and Glycolic toner and the Cica and Ceramides, both of these pair up really amazing. I love these two pairs. So sometimes I use the Dr. Sheth or sometimes I use Pixi and Estee Lauders. That's what I do. And don't use more than twice or thrice a week, you guys. This is very important because recently one of my friends DM'd me on my Instagram saying that she started following a skincare routine after watching my skincare routine video, and she said that her skin is not looking dull anymore and it's glowy, but she noticed that she has more open pores. So I asked her, are you using glycolic acid toner every day? And she said yes. Okay, kitty cats, so don't use your glycolic acid based toners every day. Use it twice or maximum thrice a week. And if you are new to glycolic acid, then please use it only twice a week initially, okay? Then you can increase it till the thrice. Now let's move on to the new skincare step that I added in my skincare routine, which wasn't in my previous skincare routine video, and it's the Helichrysum and Rosehip facial oil by Juicy Chemistry. This facial oil is like Sone Pe Suhaga. I thought I couldn't add more steps into my skincare routine, but I was so wrong. It has Helichrysum, which is a yellow flower, which is what gives a yellow pigment to this oil, and it also promotes skin cell regeneration. It also treats the allergies, and it is rich in fatty acids, and it is also anti-inflammatory. So I'm gonna use my guasa with this one to apply this facial oil. So I'm just gonna put 2 drops on my skin and tap it gently with my hands. And do you see this yellow color? It's because of the Helichrysum. Every skin type can benefit from this oil because it is rich in linoleic acid. Higher the percentage of linoleic acid, lower the comedogenic scale. So I'm just gonna add 1 more drop and I'm gonna massage with my guasa. Pull your skin upwards. It also has rosehip oil, which is a natural moisturizer. I love rosehip oil because it's a superstar ingredient. It's a superstar natural oil. It's also very lightweight on your skin and it's non-comedogenic. So even the oily and acne-prone skin types can use this oil, and it also fights hyperpigmentation. So I would highly encourage that you use rosehip oil in your skincare routine, and you can also use this guasa. It helps with the application, even application, and it helps skincare to penetrate deep into your skin, and it also helps with the lymphatic drainage. I will talk more about it in my skincare tools video. I will do a separate video on it, and you can also use it under your eyes, but use a very gentle hand and pull your skin upwards like this. You don't need to use both serums. You can use only one, either the Juicy Chemistry Rosehip oil or your Cica and Ceramide serum by Dr. Sheth, but I like to use both of these together. Now we are done with the toner, serum and facial oil. It's time for moisturizer, and for moisturizer I'm using Plum Night Gel Moisturizer, Plum Green Tea Moisturizer. It's an amazing night moisturizer. I love to use it in my night skincare routine because I get better results when I use this moisturizer in the next morning. And you can use your day moisturizer, which you were using like Neutrogena Hydro Boost or Clinique moisturizer, but I get better results with the Plum Green Tea Moisturizer. It also has some percentage of glycolic acid in it, so it is exfoliating as well as hydrating moisturizer. So I'm gonna apply it on my skin and lock the moisture and finish the skincare routine. Now the last step of night skincare routine will be your spot treatment if you have any acne breakouts, but I don't have any acne breakouts right now on my skin, so I'm gonna skip this step. So for spot treatment, I'm using the Dr. Sheth Neem and BHA Spot Clarifying Serum. I use this as a spot treatment. It has Neem, which is antibacterial, and it has BHA, 2% salicylic acid. BHA is beta hydroxy acid, and salicylic acid is a type of BHA. It's a well-known treatment for acne. I've been using this serum for some time. I just apply it on my acne or breakouts, and this works overnight. I've been loving this. I also tested this on my brother, who is sensitive and acne prone skin type, and it works for him as well. And I will make a separate video where I will explain it in detail, okay? And now let's move on to the next step of eye creams. And for eye cream, I use the Biotique Seaweed Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel. This works for me. I understand this doesn't work for everybody, but it works for me. So I'm going to use this eye cream, and always understand that some products might work for my skin and it might not work for you guys, and some of the skincare might work for your skin and it might not work for me, because I am doing my best in providing all the information for which skincare type this product is, everything. So yeah guys, please be more respectful and gentle when something doesn't work for you. And lastly, I'm just gonna apply a moisturizer, lip moisturizer actually, and it's the Neutrogena lip balm. I actually prefer lip oil, but I don't have it right now with me, so I'm just gonna use this on my lips, and I'm done with my night skincare routine. So yes, kitty cats, that's it for my night skincare routine. I hope you learned something new from my night skincare routine, and I will keep updating you guys if I add something else or if I completely change my skincare routine. Let's be honest, I have so many skincare routines. Like sometimes I only do healing skincare routine, which I can make a separate video about. So let me know if you're interested in that. I will do it. So yes, kitty cats, that's it for my night skincare routine. Let me know that one extra thing that you do in your night skincare routine in the comments down below, and like, share, subscribe, share with your friends, share with your moms who need this skincare routine. So bye.